Meaning of ethnology.
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 Ethnology. Ethnology is the study of human culture and society, particularly in a comparative and cross-cultural context. It involves examining various aspects of human societies, such as their traditions, customs, language, and beliefs, in order to better understand the diversity of human experience across different cultures and time periods. This field of study can help us gain insight into the complexities and similarities of human life, as well as the ways in which societies evolve and change over time due to a variety of factors, such as migration, globalization, and technological innovation.